The global landscape is shifting. With escalating war situations and geopolitical tensions, the ripple effects are being felt right here in the Indian stock market. If you've looked at your portfolio recently, you know the sea of red can be unsettling. As of today, the Nifty 50 and Sensex have seen a significant correction. From its recent all-time high, the market is currently down by approximately 8 to 10%. While this feels like a crisis, in the world of investing, it's often a valuation reset. To understand where we are going, we must look at where we've been. Market corrections during wars or global crises are not new. Let's look at the data. 2008 global financial crisis. Markets fell over 50%, yet recovered to new highs within 2 years. 2020 COVID-19 crash. A sharp 30% drop was followed by one of the fastest bull runs in history. History shows that while markets react sharply at the onset of war, they typically stabilize and trend upwards once the uncertainty is priced in. Corrections are temporary. The growth of the Indian economy is structural. So why is this the right time to start or continue an SIP? It comes down to two words: Rupee Cost Averaging. When the market is down, your fixed SIP amount buys more units of a fund. When the market eventually recovers, these extra units accelerate your wealth creation. War headlines trigger panic selling. An SIP automates your discipline, ensuring you buy the fear instead of running from it. India's resilience. Despite global headwinds, India's domestic consumption and corporate earnings remain robust. Buying during a correction means you're getting into the Indian growth story at a discount. If you want to move from saving to wealth creation, look at this graphic. This is the step-up SIP. By simply increasing your SIP contribution by just 10% every year, in line with your annual salary hikes, the end result is staggering. For example, a 10,000 rupees SIP might give you a certain corpus in 20 years, but a 10% annual step up could nearly double that final amount. War creates noise, but history creates wealth. Don't let the headlines dictate your financial future. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.